this is Kimberly. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you regular bob style right here. I will let you show how it looks. The color is very pretty. It's not that much hair at the bottom, so a little bit flip up style at the bottom. Color tone is very natural. It doesn't look like fake. It's not that silky, it's not that rough, but it's soft though. Okay, let's start to take a look at the details. Ta-da! It is made of 100% synthetic hair, but the fiber is very lightweight and high quality, so it looks very natural. The fiber is not that thick. And at the forehead line, it has silk base right here, so it doesn't make any itch scalp. It's very soft. And it has 5 inches wide monofilament. It's not that soft, but it works well. It's similar to lace front, but unlike lace front, it's very sturdy and delicate. So it looks like your own scalp right here. And there is adjustable band right here, so you can adjust as you want. And it has open stretchable cap, so it's very breathable and gives more air circulation. It's very light. So when you style this wig, it's way easier than other wigs do. There is a dip monofilament, so you can part any way you want, like this. You can see, and you can just drop it naturally like this. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.